Hi friends, it's Barry from Math Games, and today we will be looking at this algebra challenge where we want to simplify this expression. So let's take a look. We have this fraction, and on the top we have the square root of 16, and then inside the square root we multiply it by the square root of 81. And for the bottom, we have the square root of 81 and multiplied by the square root of 16. So let's think about these two terms, okay? So what is the square root of 81? So to find the square root of 81, we are asking what number, say x, multiplied by itself gives us 81. So you should know off by heart from your multiplication table that we have 9 times 9 equals 81. So x is 9. So the square root of 81 is 9. And we do the same for 16. So x times x equals 16. And we should know that 4 times 4 is 16. So x is just number 4. So now that we know this, we can rewrite our expression as the square root of 16 times 9 divided by the square root of 81 times 4. Okay, so now we have this square root of two products of a product of two numbers. So what we can do is to distribute the square roots. So we have the square root of 16 multiplied by the square root of 9 and then divided by the square root of 81 and then the square root of 4. Now notice once again we see the square root of 16 and the square root of 81, and we know what they are. They are simply 4 and 9. Okay, so our next step is to figure out the square roots of 9 and the square root of 4. So x times x equals 9. So what is x? Well, x is simply 3 because 3 multiplied by 3 is 9. So now, and what about 4? So x times x equals 4. Well, we know 2 times 2 is 4, so x is 2. So we can further simplify this expression into 4 times 3 divided by 9 times 2. And then we can cancel out the 3 and the 9, so that gives us a third, and then the 2 and the 4, they cancel out, and we are left with a third multiplied by 2. So that is 2/3. So that's one way of doing it. And there are a few other different ways that you can do it. And I would like to know what your approach is. So please let us know in the comments. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.